What is up, guys? So today we will be unboxing this new mechanical keyboard that we have. So this model is the RK71 model from Royal Kludge. So yung box niya walang masyadong nakalagay sa labas, no? Pero ito yung specifications niya. So lampas siyang kalahating kilo and it is a wireless keyboard. So by the way, tri-mode yung connectivity niya. Pwedeng wired using a Type-C cable or Type-C USB cable, pwedeng Bluetooth, and also pwedeng 2.4 GHz wireless. So yung laman ng box, meron lang siyang manual and then yung keyboard itself. Mabigat siya actually, yeah. Feels premium pag binuhat mo siya. And then tingnan pa natin kung ano laman ng box. We have this Type-C USB cable, just a regular Type-C cable. And then what do we have here? We have this magnetic stand or feet. And then some spare brown switches kasi yun yung pinili natin for this model. May other choices pa actually, pwedeng red or blue switch. And then we have the keycap holder. Nice touch. So wala na naman yung box, set aside natin. Tingnan natin yung mismong keyboard. Ganda ng weight niya. Saktong-sakto lang yung bigat. Hindi masyadong magang, hindi masyadong mabigat. Actually guys, nakakatuwa kasi ang liit niya compare sa full size keyboard. Kasi right now yung gamit ko is Logitech G512 Carbon na full size keyboard yun. So napakaliit niya, ang cute. So meron siyang LED lighting sa gilid or RGB lights on both sides. Meron rin siyang kasamang 2.4 GHz USB dongle for wireless connectivity. Yung rubber feet niya, and meron siyang toggle switches dito. So B for Bluetooth I believe, and then G for the wireless one. And then on off switch kapag wireless. But I believe pag wired connection, just keep it turned off and then plug in the Type-C USB cable and plug and play lang siya. Ang ganda ng RGB niya. I'm not sure, I don't think na nagre-reflect talaga or nakukunan ng camera yung ganda ng RGB kasi hindi ganun kaganda yung camera yung gamit natin. Pero maganda yung lighting niya. Hindi ganun ka-bright pero enough para makita sa dilim. Let's test out these two magnetic stand. Okay siya, napakasimpleng gamitin. Enough yung magnet niya para hindi malaglag. Sa likod walang not much, meron lang Type-C port for the USB cable for wired connection. So I'm just testing here if dumudula siya sa desk, and no, it's not gonna go anywhere kasi pretty sturdy yung rubber feet niya. So what else do we have here? Just the regular Type-C USB cable. So try natin yung 2.4 GHz or wireless connection niya. Most likely siguro ito madalas yung gagamitin ko aside from wired connection kasi for Bluetooth I think medyo may lag or may delay. May latency when it comes to Bluetooth connectivity. And just to test out the sound, here it is. So brown switch yung napili natin. Tactile switch to, so meaning yung talk sound niya is pretty audible. Not bad By the way guys, tong version na to, ito yung latest version. So, hot swappable yung switches. Meaning, pwede kayong bumili ng mga aftermarket switches and then palitan yung switches na kasama ngayon dito sa keyboard. Ganda ng RGB nyo. And then also yung lighting niya sa gilid napapalitan din. Just press the function and the insert. So basically may key combinations lang or to change yung RGB lighting niya, yung pattern. So either function insert or function home key. So size comparison lang tayo dito sa full size Logitech G512 Carbon. Ang laki ng difference, nakakaluwag siya ng desk space actually. Maganda sa kanya is kahit na maliit siya, yung sizes ng keys niya is hindi ganun kaliit. It feels normal, and also yung distance in between switches, it doesn't feel cluttered or too compressed. Saktong-sakto lang siya. Ayos. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked it.